Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and share your cart in your Shein application. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, of course, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of the Shein application updated. And right here inside the application, you have to make sure that you have your account logged in. And after adding items into your shopping cart, you want to go ahead and click on your shopping cart right here, and then you will be able to see your items listed on your shopping cart. And of course, you can then individually share these links right here, but that will be a tedious process. Now, to go ahead and share all of this item right here at once, just go ahead and add them into your favorite list. So to do that, you want to go ahead and click on the heart icon right here, right beside the item of your choice. So just go ahead and click here, and right here it will say that you want to go ahead and make sure that you want to move the products from your shopping cart to your wish list. Just go ahead and click on next. Don't worry, you could go ahead and add these items back in later. So just go ahead and click on the heart icons, and once that's done, just go ahead and click on the heart icon at the upper right corner of your screen, and you will then be able to have your items. And once inside, you want to go ahead and click on boards, create boards, and right here just go ahead and name your board anything. Maybe I want to share it to someone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and type right here for share. And right here we will then be able to add items into our board. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of these items. Go ahead and click add to board, and inside this will be our board right here. Now just go ahead and go back to the board sections right here, and right below your board you will then be able to see the share button. So just go ahead and click on share, and you can go ahead and copy the link, share it with your Facebook, Instagram, and more. So in that way, you will be able to share your items into your shopping cart into the Shein application. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.